Hello, welcome to my other episode of Do It Yourself. This time I would like to show you how to fix a big dent front bumper for a Toyota Camry. There are several ways you can fix the dent. You can buy a dent remover tool, buy a heat gun and hammer. There are several other ways you can try to do to fix this dent. What I would like to show you is to find a less expensive way to try to fix the dent without too much of investment and tools. I'm planning to remove the bumper and push the dent from the inside. To remove this bumper, there are several screws that need to be removed first. From the top, there is one 10mm bolt that need a 10mm socket to remove it, and then you have another Phillips crosshead screw here on each side of the front bumper, one on this side and the other is right here. So this is a Phillips screw driver you can remove, and the rest a couple of those plastic grommet or plastic screw that can very easily remove and pop this up with a flat end Phillips screwdriver. Then on each side of the bumper, this is the passenger side, there is a screw here that you can remove it from this end. Just loosen it up. On the passenger side tire, where we took the clip off early on, if you trace to this area, the joint between the bumper and the fender, you go underneath the mud guard, there's also another you will see another 10mm bolt here, and you can use your Phillips screw driver to loosen up this 10mm bolt as well. Here is the last bolt on the passenger side towards the front of the tire. Once you loosen up the screw, you should be able to pull the bumper out. I'm going to pour some boiling hot water on the plastic, soften it, and then I'm going to try to push it from the back and with your rubber maylocks. Please be careful, don't burn yourself. pour some more hot water again. As you can see, the dent is pretty much gone. Of course, there may be a tiny little bit area that's still not quite perfect, but when I zoom in, of course, you will see a little crack of the paint. You can do some of the paint touch-up yourself, so that you will make it look nicer again. But compared to the before, this definitely look a lot more better. Of course, if you want to be really perfect job, you might have to go to a body shop to finish it, do a nice. They can do some they can do some body resin material to sand it down and to resurface the bumper, and then they paint it all over again. There's more, of course, there's a more professional job and it will cost a lot more. But this is the way, just kind of like quick fix. It saves you a lot of money. Some people can live with that. I'm okay with this one. Of course, the rest to put the screw back is just like a reverse process as what I showed you to take those, loosen up those screws at the beginning of this video. So just like a reverse process. By sharing for what I'm doing here, I hope that you will be able to learn something from this video. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you on the next episode of Do It Yourself. May God bless you. I am going to pop this back and put the screw back there.